Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D2, chapter number 12, exercise 12C, that is about the volume and surface area of sphere. What is sphere and what are the formulas for the volume and surface area? These are the questions that have to be really clear to all of my students before going to this lesson, because lessons of mathematics are integrated with each other. If the previous lesson is weak, the next lesson will also be affected. For all those who are joining us late or they have missed the previous class, I will be giving the link of the lesson in the description box so that you can watch and understand that lesson properly, and you can learn the formulas so that exercise becomes easy for you. Let's move to question number 5, basic level, and let me read the question from the book. Question 5 says, find the radius of each of the following spheres with the given surface area. It means these answers, these values which are given to us, they are the surface areas of different spheres, and with the help of these values we have to find the radius. So recall the formula for the surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. If the formula is clear, then the questions will really be easy for you. So let's move to the solution of first part. Given surface area is area is 210 and centimeter square. Now really easy, and that formula for the surface area is 4 pi and r square equals to 210. Now what we have to do, we have to find value of r or r square. So I will be keeping r square on the same side. I have to make r the subject of formula. So whatever is extra here, extra is 4 and pi. Okay, they are multiplied with each other. So I will be shifting this 4 pi to other side. 210. If the algebra is good, then the next topics will also be good, and pi has a value 3.142 if it's not stated in the question, and question is not saying anything about pi. 3.142. okay, 210 upon 4 multiplied by 3.142. okay, now what we have to do is 4 multiplied by 3.142, and this is 12.568 and 210 r square. Now what I have to do is that I have to divide 210 by 12.568, and this gives me r square equals to 16.70. and now in order to get value of r, what we have to do is that we have to take the square root on both sides. I have to take the square root of 16.70. Let me take the help from calculator, that I have to take the square root and square root of this 16.70, and this will become 4.086, and as I have to give my answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so I need these 3 digits. I will be looking at the 4th digit, so r will approximately be 4.09 and centimeter. I hope you are clear about this part, and let's move to the second part. And in B part, the given surface area is 7230 millimeters square. Okay, given area is 7000, given surface area equals to 7230 and square. Okay, now as this is the surface area given, so this value will be equated by the formula of surface area. So 4 pi r square will be equal to 72 and 30. r square will be equal to again shift this 4 pi to other side. Okay, as this is multiplied here, so when it will be shifted to other side, we have to divide it 7230 divided by 4 pi, and 4 multiplied by 3.142, 7230, and 4 multiplied by 3.142, and this gives me 12.568, and this is 7230. And now what I have to do, 7230, okay, 7230 divided by 12.568, and this gives me r square equals to 575.2. and then what I have to do, I have to take the square root. Okay, so when I will be taking the square root, equation will take the form 575.2. okay, now I have to take the square root, 575.2 square root, and this gives me this 23 point, this is the decimal, 23.9898, and as I have to give my answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so it will become 24.0, and this is the value of r. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next part. Okay, and in the next part, the given surface area is 3163. Okay, given surface area equals to 3163 and meter square. So what we have to do, recall that we have to equate it with the formula 4 pi r square equals to 3163. okay, and now again we have to shift 4 pi to other side. R square equals to 3163 upon 4 pi, and pi has the value 3.142. okay, 3163 multiplied by 4 into 3.142, and this gives me, this product is 12.568, 3163. okay, 3163 divided by 12.568, and this gives me 251.6 r square. And then what I have to do, in order to get value of r, I have to take the square root of this number, 251.6. okay, and now square root of 251.6 gives me 15.86, and as we have to give our answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so look at the 4th digit. This is 6 more than 5, so radius will be approximately equal to 15.9 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this part, and let's quickly move to the next part. And the part, the given surface area is 64 pi centimeter square. So given surface area equals to 64 and pi centimeter square. This will be equated by what? The formula for the surface area. What is that? 4 pi r square equals to 64 pi. Now look, we have the common factor on both sides, that is pi, and it can go with this. Okay, and we are left with 4r square. 4r square equals to 64. Now shift this 4 to other side. And divide 64 by 4. R square equals to 64 by 4, and 64 by 4 is 16. 4 ones are and 4 16s are. R square equals to 16. In order to get value of r, what we have to do, we have to think about the number whose square is 16. 16 is a perfect square. 4 square. My students have to learn how to perform the calculation for paper 1 and paper 2 both. So recall and please learn the squares of the numbers from 1 till 30 by heart. Now take the square root on both sides, and this will take the form 4 square into 1 by 2 and radius equals to 4 centimeter. I hope really easy questions. If the formula and the basic algebraic calculations are clear, then the exercise will not be difficult for you. In the next part, the given surface area is 911 pi mm square. Okay, let's go for the solution of this question. Given surface area equals to 911 and this is pi mm square, and now this has to be equated by the formula 4 pi r square equals to 911 and pi. Now again this pi will be going with this pi because this is a common factor, and we will left with 4r square equals to 911 and r square equals to 911 by 4. Okay, now divide 911 by 4, and this gives me r square equals to 227.75. Now let me move towards this side, that r will be equal to 227.5, and I have to take the square root of this number, and when I am taking the square root of 227.5, this gives me 15.08. r equals to 15.08 centimeter, and as this is the unit is in millimeters. As I have to give my answer nearest to 3 significant figures, so r will be approximately equal to 15.1 and millimeters. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's quickly move to the last part of this question. And in the last part, the given surface area is 49 pi and the units are meter square. Okay, this is the surface area which is given in the question. Given surface area equals to 49 pi and units is meter square. So what we are going to do is 4 pi r square equals to 49 and pi. Again this pi I will be cancelling with this pi, and I will left with 4r square. 4r square equals to 49 r square equals to 49 by 4. Now again we are getting an interesting fraction, that 49 and 4 both are perfect squares. Think about the number whose square is 49, that is 7 square upon 4 is 2 square. So my equation will take the form r square equals to 7 by 2 and whole square. Now in order to get value of r, I have to take square root on both sides, and okay, when I am taking square root on both sides, my equation will take the form r equals to 7 by 2, and this 2 will be going with this 2, and I will left with r equals to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 and meters. I hope really easy questions. This question requires only the learning of formulas and basic calculations and the squares and tables. If these 3 things are clear, then this question will really be easy for you. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.